Hikvision has launched a new series of 4K Turbo HD Analogue cameras that benefits from ColorVu technology, delivering colour images around the clock. Power to the camera is via a single coax cable, and the range employs a plug-and-play feature, further simplifying installation and making it quicker and easier. End users can enjoy ultra-high definition images thanks to the 8-megapixel resolution, allowing them to see every detail of a scene, even in low illumination. This is complemented by the true WDR technology, which provides clear imaging against strong backlit conditions. This makes it ideal for areas such as receptions, when the camera must cope with large windows and strong backlighting. Models are available with either a 2.8 or 3.6mm fixed focal lens, and the cameras are water and dust resistant, and so can be used for either internal or external applications. If you'd like to find out more about the range, you can visit norbain.com or speak with your Norbain account manager.